thanks to Nitin sir, he called me over here and gave me chance to speak in front of you. And I definitely like these things because I heard you. You have taken admission 1 month back and you are speaking, you are giving introduction, you are telling about yourself, you are telling about your village, you are telling about your page. Okay, this is very good thing because if you, this is a starting English speaking or English learning, which is a journey of 1 year, 2 years. You can say every day you have to do something for it. Then and then you will develop. If you, for your information, I will tell you, only in our Kolhapur, 4% people can speak English. So Nitin sir is one of them. Okay, Nitin sir is there to guide you, but you have to do many things besides the course. You have to read, you have to listen, you have to. Now everybody has a smartphone. Okay, so if you teach, Nitin sir taught you the simple present tense or simple past tense. Okay, so you can go on Google, you can type there sentence of simple past tense. You will find a many n numbers of sentences. And I will guarantee you, if you go through the 1000 sentences, you will never forget that tense. And for the speaking English, you need not to do all 12 tenses. You need not to mug up all 12 tenses. You have to do only few tenses like simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect, simple past and past continuous. If we do these 4 or 5 tenses, you will definitely become a good at English. Okay? And I will tell you, speaking English is different part. Okay, first you have to understand English, you have to write English. Okay, and many people they can write, they can read, they can understand, but it is difficult to speak. Are you getting my point? For that you need a practice. Only the things you have. Now your journey has started. Okay, once you decided, nothing is impossible in this world. Okay, once you decided that, I will tell you, I have met with many doctors, many engineers, many founders, those who are at that level, but when the time come to of speaking English, they hesitate. Because what happened? Because they are not in practice. Okay, and even they practice a lot. So for speaking English, it is your journey has started. What I tell you now, in these 2 or 3 months, you have taken the admission, right? You will, Nitin sir will open door for you. Okay, after that you have to do a lot. You have to, because improve your language, you need to know the grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation. If 3 things you will know, you will definitely learn language. And in English there is a n numbers of vocabulary you have to do. Okay, so you should decide it first. Now I have taken the decision of like I will tell in Marathi. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज त्यांना आपण का म्हणतो निश्चयाचा महामेरू. मेरू म्हणजे काय? पर्वत. त्याचा निश्चय पर्वतासारखा होता. अरे वेरी मग काय आपला निश्चय कसा असतो? त्यांनी लहानपणी ठरवलं स्वराज्य निर्माण करायचं आणि खरोखर केलं. आपला निश्चय बघा, सकाळी लवकर उठणार आणि सकाळी आपण लगेच 8 वाजता गजर झाला की आपण आपला निश्चय चेंज करतो, 10 मिनिटं झोपतो. हा आपला निश्चय बघा. म्हणून शिवाजी महाराजांना शतकोशतक मानतात. पूर्वी कसं होतं, ज्याच्या